First of all, to show the public that for us as policemen, we are fit. We are what? Who is not fit? Secondly, I want to thank the community of Ribindi, which has hosted us. It has been lively.
Yonga osi wa Bugwera police station genda rojiti chamani nukureba kangu abapolisi bakwatagana na community. That is our aim, main biggest aim.
Kintu kyatushemeza DPC kyakitiremu kyatushemeza twayorganizingaho twazanaho like nimwazyo tuzandeho na Bwizibwera United. Yes basize kutera konkitwe nkakashano sawa ekitubire ntwenda tubanze twemanya
umukureba kwanje no mu kutesa kwanje ningo mukunda kwanje nakubena inyenda zimaze me kitense kibakeresere hati bakiteko ma sub counties batero tournament tuzanire kuno ka sub county